Are you wondering where the fuse box is located in the 2023 Cadillac Escalade ESV and how to understand its diagram? In this guide, we'll cover 2023 Cadillac Escalade ESV location, provide a fuse diagram, and explain each fuse's role to help you troubleshoot and maintain your vehicle's electrical systems. Engine compartment, fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block houses high current fuses for critical systems like the starter, fuel pump, and cooling fans, with a cover diagram for easy identification. This fuse block may also include spare fuses and a fuse puller for convenience. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block protects electrical components like interior lights, infotainment, power outlets, and climate controls. A diagram on the fuse cover helps identify fuse locations for easy troubleshooting. Rear compartment fuse block. The rear compartment fuse block in the 2023 Cadillac Escalade ESV is located in the cargo area, providing protection for electrical systems like rear climate controls, rear entertainment, and power seats. It's accessible through a panel for easy maintenance. A diagram on the cover shows fuse assignments for quick identification.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile fuse, a Tandard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage, link fuse. Fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure.
If this guide on fuses and fuse box diagram is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.